Predictive maintenance isn't just sensors. It's like your body telling you, hey, knee's gonna give out tomorrow. But for steel. Factories run 24/7 now. No excuses. One missed crack, whole line stops. AI listens to vibrations, heat, sound, predicts failure 3 days early. Downtime drops 80%. Real companies, Toyota, Siemens, already doing it, not theory. Automation? Forget the shiny bots. It's boring stuff. Conveyor belts that slow down when parts jam. Cameras that spot dents before they ship. No human yelling. No overtime. Just quiet efficiency. One plant in Germany cut labor costs 22%. Zero layoffs. Just smarter work. ROI's the boring hero. They track everything. Energy saved. Parts not wasted. Orders not late. Last year, a car maker spent $4 million on AI, saved 11 in repairs alone. That's not hype. That's a spreadsheet. Marketing, it's not ads. It's knowing. You search headache at 2 a.m. Next morning, your feed's got ibuprofen, tea, sleep tips, tailored. Not creepy if it works. Companies say conversion rates up 40%. Decision tools, like a co-pilot. You feed it sales data, weather, supplier delays. It spits out, buy from this guy, not that one. 93% on-time delivery. No gut, just proof. That's the meat, not headlines. Just what happens when AI stops posing and starts earning. Want deeper on one part or still more?